Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer a call on your VVX250 phone. Your Poly phone supports two types of call transfers, blind or cold transfers and consultative or warm transfers. Blind transfers send the call directly to the line of your choice. Warm transfers allow you to see if the person is available on that line before you transfer the call. By default, your phone will complete all transfers as warm or consultative transfers. To transfer an active call to another extension or external number using the default warm transfer, during an active call, press the transfer function key or the transfer button. This will automatically place the active call on hold and you will hear a dial tone. Dial the number of the party you wish to transfer the call to and press send. When you are ready to transfer the call, press the transfer function key or use the transfer button. To transfer an active call to another extension or external number using the blind transfer, during an active call, press and hold the transfer function key. This will automatically place the call on hold and start a blind transfer. Dial the number of the party you wish to transfer the call to and press the send function key.